Hi guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I wanted to come on and just do a flip through of my scrapbook that I have finished. And my front page, or first page, is actual ultrasound pictures of the baby that the mama sent me, and she told me that the nursery colors were pink and light gray, so that's why I chose these particular colors. And because the ultrasound pictures are black in nature, as you see, I wanted to bring in a little bit more black, so that's what I did with the word journey. I just matted it on a black mat. So, and I think it came out kind of cute. And I got some pink bling down here. Excuse me. And all of my images on this page did come from Cricut cartridges. And I don't remember what they are, and I didn't show this one, I didn't film this one on purpose because I didn't want to get close-ups of the ultrasounds because it's got some information on them. And then we flip over to the next two pages, and I did do these on camera. So, and I think it looks really cute. And then we flip over, and this one I tried to film on camera, but my file became very corrupt, is what it told me, and it wouldn't let me download it. And this one has a total of 3 photo mats on it, and it's titled Talk of the Town. And I wanted it to look, the scene to look as if they were in a park with a little guy walking his dog, and then the mama pushing the baby carriage, and then the little guy riding his bicycle with a backpack on, and then there's flowers and trees all through the background as well, with a cobblestone street is what I've done with that. And then a sunshine up there too. Then we flip over, and this is the apple of my eye layout. You guys watched me do this one on camera. And then the dream layout, I have it here. And what I've done with pencil on all the photo mats is I just wrote in on every photo mat throughout the entire album what size photo would fit in those places. So, and then my cutest baby layout. And then such a stinker layout with the cute skunks. And then I have my Bath and Body Works layout. And then the Wizard of Oz layout. And then my Wolf, Love You to the Moon and Back layout. And then Winnie the Pooh, or Disney layout. And I have this one glued to the back of my album because it should have been a one-page layout, but I wanted to do that. And I have ordered some acetate sheets, and I'm hoping that they arrive by tomorrow. They're supposed to. And what I'm going to do is glue it down on 3 sides, the top and the sides, and leave the bottom open so she can raise it up so that it'll give it some protection, and do that. So I wish they would have came before I wanted to do my flip through, but they didn't. So as soon as I get those, I will put that on there. But once they arrive, the very next thing I'll have to do is get this boxed up and wrapped. So I didn't have time to wait. So I hope you guys really enjoyed my scrapbook layouts and my baby girl album, because I have certainly enjoyed doing it very much, and I appreciate everybody's such kind comments and thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. So take care, and we'll talk again real soon. Cheers.